Hello, 8th grade. An amusement park charges an admission fee of $30 per person. The cost C in dollars of admission for a group of P people is given by the following function. Cost of the people equals 30 times the people. In other words, the cost of some number of people equals 30 times that number of people. So, what is the cost of admission for a group of 4? That would be C of 4. This is how you would write this. C of 4 equals 30 times 4, or $120. Okay? And that is correct. So let's go to the next problem type, which, let's see, that was just, so now we have a M and a B. So let's look at number 3. It's like the first one. Number 4 is like the second one. Why don't we do number 4? So, height in meters after X months, given by this function. The height for some number of months equals 0.05 times that number of months plus 1150. Okay? What is the plant's height after 30 months? So the height at 30 months, and I'm writing this down because this is the language that you're going to need to know. H of 30 equals 0.05 times 30 plus 1150. Okay, so now put it in your calculator. 0.05. I hate when my calculator turns off on me. 0.05 times 30 plus 1150. Is that 13? It is 13. 13 meters tall. Correctamundo. So we're going to get to some different kinds of problems here. Similar, but more advanced a little bit. So Charlemagne spends $14 each time she travels the road. She started with $210 in her total account. The amount A in dollars that she has left in the account after T trips is given by this function. So the amount after the number of trips, okay? How many trips can she take before her account is empty? Okay, so when her account is empty, that means the amount in it is 0. So we're going to do 0 equals 210 minus 14t, and then solve that. So 14t, I'm going to move it over here just to make it positive, equals 210. Then I'm going to divide both sides by 14. And I'm going to get t equals 210 divided by 14. That's 15 trips. And how much money does she have left after 8 trips? So 210 minus 14 times 8. $98? Let's see. 14 times 8 equals 112. 210 minus answer equals $98. So, if you can tell me, if you get to your email fast and you tell me whose name I'm about to say, you can win a chance at a new car, or a chance at a trip around the world, or a chance at $1 million. A chance. Can't win those things, just a chance. So, Lauren, Jocelyn, Alex, okay, so here we have domain and range question. Owners are filling a pond with water. W be the total amount of water in the pond in liters. T be the total number of minutes that the water has been added. W equals, notice that's very much like y equals mx plus b, right? Notice, x is independent, y is dependent. X is the domain, y is the range. So, which one is going to be the domain? It's going to be t. T is the total number of minutes that water has been added. Number of minutes that water has been added. Okay? Choose one, set of values. So, let's see. During the next 70 minutes, I'm going to call those real numbers, okay? Because it's not discrete. In other words, it's not just every minute. So it's not going to be 0, 1, 2, 3. It's going to be all the numbers from 0 to 70. Then the range, the amount of water in the pond in liters. And let's see. It starts at 600 liters. It starts, see the beginning? 600 liters. It begins there. Okay? Whoops, what did it do? Oh, that wasn't fair. I didn't want an example. Oh boy. Control minus minus. Normally I would edit this, but I'm not going to because I'm kind of in a hurry. So it starts at 600. Okay? Remember, the x value is the domain, the y value is the range. So these are w's and t's, but look at the shape, look at the form. See which one, this would have been x, this would have been y. Okay, so not too tough, not impossible. Let's look at another one. You have a couple of them. Okay, graph of a function is shown. Find the value f of negative 2. F of negative 2. That means negative 2. F of negative 2 is the y value at negative 2. F of something is a y value. The something is the x value. So this would be negative 4. Okay, so we got a few of them, and then we got some that ask for find f of x equals negative 4. So find where the y is negative 4. Well, here's where the y is negative 4, and that's where x equals 0. See, f of x. F of x and y are the same thing. So if f of x equals negative 4, they're saying when does y equal negative 4? Well, it does when x is 0. And find f of 2. So find the y value when the x value is 2. and that would be -2. Okay, so let's see what else we have here for you. I think it's just more of the same. Okay, so find where it's increasing. What's it doing on A to B? It's increasing. On B to C, it's decreasing. On C to D, it's constant. It's not changing. D to E, decreasing. Okay, that was an easy one. There's a couple of them there for you too. Okay, because they're easier. And that's it for Monday.